Hey guys, it's Kamrin and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna bring you guys along for my grocery shopping haul. We're gonna go to Target and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I buy at the grocery store because I'm currently on a 1300 calorie diet. And then the follow-up video for this will be what I eat in a week. So I'll show you guys how I just formulate all this stuff together and everything that I eat. Got my waist trainer on. Fit for the day. I'm literally obsessed with this set. It's so cute.
For yourself. Keep playing with me. We gonna see you from that B-roll. Can I get a squishy?
They have them hot! Oh yeah.
You're sick. Check, is it the same?
No, they're screaming
I know,
hot.
but is it the same calories?
Yeah, it's 130. It's so good.
What are you doing, man? Isn't this supposed to be a healthy video?
Yes, but balance, you know? Okay, we just finished grocery shopping. We had to go to Publix because Walmart did not have the barbecue jackfruit, and I'm like really craving that because it lets you make sloppy joes. But I am gonna be cooking a margarita pizza this time around. I found this recipe for like a healthy margarita pizza that's only like 102 calories. I'm gonna make that, but that will be in my what I eat in a week video coming up. But we're about to be home, so as soon as we get home, I will show you guys everything that I bought. First thing that we're going to talk about is all the snacks. I'm like obsessed with these. These are the unsweetened apple fruit pouches. They're made of a lot of plastic, which kind of sucks. I wish that they weren't, but they're amazing and they're really easy for quick on-the-go meals. I have them usually in what?
You eat plastic?
No, these are only like 45 calories per pouch, so they're really great. Got these veggie straws. They're spicy. I love spicy food. Usually I'll go for the Pringles, but I thought that these would be more fun, so we got these today. What else did I get for snacks? I don't remember. I think that's...
You got M&M's.
Well, yeah, I got M&M's too.
She was gonna hide that too.
No, I was gonna talk about this later.
Nah, you straight
I
capper.
was gonna talk about it later.
Straight capper in all the videos.
Not true at all. I got M&M's, obviously, duh, because I have a really, really bad sweet tooth, and so I try to find stuff that I can kind of just eat a little bit and go. I'll try and control myself. So I buy these little like family packs of candies, and I'll kind of have that a little bit as sweets because if I don't have sugar at least once a day, I'm gonna have issues. Excuse me, miss. I think that's it for snacks. So we'll go over kind of what like I have for breakfast. So I love these silk yogurt alternatives. Can you get down, please? These are non-dairy yogurts. They taste really, really great. I like them in dark chocolate. I don't like them in vanilla. I get like 3 of those. And then I have Bagel Thins. I love bagels. Usual, like regular bagels are like almost 200 to 300 calories each. So Bagel Thins are great because they're only 110 calories. I have that with some vegan cream cheese. And then I bought a whole bunch of vegetables. If you guys watched my last grocery haul, you know that I always just buy these frozen vegetables. It's way easier. I am like the laziest person alive. Same thing for the rice. These are super easy. Unfortunately, I am like the worst Hispanic ever and I cannot figure out how to cook rice for the love of my life. So I just use these microwave pouch ones. And then we have this. This is my first time trying this, but I heard that it's really good. I love Indian food, so I'm gonna try this. And I got like the basic vegetables and stuff, like sweet potatoes and bell peppers. You guys will see a lot of this stuff in the what I eat in a week video. I got these chicken nuggets. If you follow me on Instagram, I was like raving about this because these are incredible. They're not vegan, they're made with egg whites, but they're not meat, so that's good. Got some salmon and some fish. And I have my jackfruit that we specifically went to Publix for because I am obsessed with this. I cooked the sloppy joes for Victor one time and you like the sloppy joes, right?
Yeah.
These are great. 2 people can eat off of it. And then I got this, which is my favorite thing ever. And this is the spinach and cheese signature tortellini. That's basically everything that I got. There's some basic stuff like, you know, tortillas and mushrooms, like super, super basic things. When we do the what I eat in a week video, I'll go over exactly how I'm using everything, but this is just the basics. I think it was like $130. Wait, no, it was like $110 for all the groceries because I bought detergent, so that doesn't count. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little like grocery haul, and make sure to give it a thumbs up if you want to see the what I eat in a week video. Follow all my social media, that will be down in the description box down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. And then now. Why do you always
Damn, bro,
so...
this shit's zooming so slow.
Why are you zooming?